We are looking at the next example 6.3. If p of x is given x by 20 for x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5 it is x by 20 and 0 otherwise. Find p of x less than 3. Less than 3 means x is equal to 0. The probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. So what is that when you put x is equal to 0? So in the x place if you put 0, it is 0 by 20, the value is 0. When x is equal to 1 means in place of x put 1 by 20. X is 2, the probability place x is equal to 2, you put 2 by 20. So add up, you will get 2 plus 1, 3 by 20. So the answer for p of x less than 3 is 3 by 20. Similarly, the next question, p of 2 less than x less than or equals to 4. That means in between 2 and 4. 2 is not included, 4 is included. Okay, in between 2 and 4, what is that? 3 and 4. So what is p of 3? So 3 put in this x, 3 by 20. 4 means it is 4 by 20. Add up, you will get 3 plus 4, 7 by 20. That is the answer. Okay. Given the probability function, you need to find the given values. See the next example 6.4. You need to form the probability function. If you toss a pair of coin, 3 coins 3 times, a coin 3 times, outcome of the experiments, consider the random variable which counts the number of heads on the upturned faces. Find out the probability mass function. Before we have done in example sum we have done, is it not? The random variable for the example you have done, and check the properties of probability mass function. So what is the condition for probability mass function? The p of xi should be greater than or equal to 0 for every I, and the sum should be equals to 1. Sum of the probability functions of all the functions should be 1. Now x be the random variable which counts the number of heads on the upturned faces. The outcomes are stated as here like this. 3 coins are turned mean the number of sample space. Outcome of the sample space will be HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, TTH, THT, HTT, TTT. So the outcome of x will be 3 here. Write in numbers, number form. Heads, 2 heads, 2 heads, again 2 heads, 1 head, 1, 1, 1, 0. The values are summarized in the probability table as follows. So using probability, right? You're going to do the probability for these values, x values. So how many, for the variable x, what is the probability of x here? So probability of x for this 3 is 3 out of 8. The total of this sample space is 8, isn't it? So getting 3 heads means, getting 3 heads occurs once, is it not? 1 by 8. And getting 2 heads. Now let the values of x. So here the values of x between 0, 1, 2 and 3. Is it not? So values of x you write 0, 1, 2, 3. And 0 occurs 1 time. So 1 out of 8. Here 1 heads occurs 3 times. So 3 out of 8. And then occurs 2. 2 heads occurs 3 times. 3 out of 8. 3 heads occurs 1 out of 8. So adding up all this probability. So for this x data, put the probability. And adding the probability you will get 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, 8 by 8, that is 1. So where I lies from 0 to 3, the x values data is from 0 to 3. So what you are getting, the probability function, first check it, if it is all greater to 0. The second condition is the sum of the probability is 1. So this satisfies the probability mass function condition. Therefore this p of xi is a probability mass function.